Okay, so I have completed the installation of this fan, and first impression is it is definitely a classic design, perfect for probably any aesthetic, either in the living room or bedroom or anything like that. And it comes with this amazing remote control, which you can do all types of stuff. You can, let's see, you can turn the fan on and off, and you can turn the light on and off. And it also has 5 different speeds, so 1 through 5 here. And then you have the timed, which is really nice at night when you're going to bed and you want something to kind of cool you off before you go to bed. You can set it to 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And then you have a forwards and reverse. Depending on the time of year, you might want to spin the fan blades a different direction. So things that I really, really like about this fan is that it's quiet. It's incredibly quiet. And we can put this up to 5. And honestly, you can barely hear it. This is probably one of the quietest fans I've really heard. And when this thing gets up to speed, it moves a lot of air, which is really great, right? Because that's the reason why we buy fans, and it's going to help us be more energy efficient. And the next thing is these fan blades, they're ABS, so they will not sag after using them for a really long time. It has the remote control, like I said, and this particular fan can be mounted at an angle up to 20 degrees. So if you have angles in your ceiling where you need to hang this fan, you can mount it up to 20 degrees. So definitely, if you guys are looking for a new fan, highly recommend this Youkain 52-inch farmhouse style fan. If this is kind of the look that you're going for, then I think this might be the fan for you guys. All right, thanks for watching this review. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching another SMARTIPS product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.